Haribo, and a very happy Gopastami to everyone. Today is the day where Krishna becomes a big boy and goes to herd the cows for the very first time in Vrindavan. So, in honor of this pastime, we are going to learn how to make a Gopa turban. For the Gopa turban, you will need 2 cloths. You can use some soft dupattas like what I have here. Okay, choose 2 colors that go well together, and with 1 cloth, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure they're of equal length on each side, and then hold them in the center like this, and then you're going to make some pleats with your fingers. So you're just going to gather them like this, taking a little by little. Okay, so just keep doing that until you reach all the way to the end, and you'll get something like this. Okay, now you're going to wrap this on your head. Okay, so you can do it like this, and on your right side, you can secure it like this with just a simple knot. Okay, make sure it's really tight and it holds. Okay, something like that. Okay, so once that is secure, you're going to have 2 pieces hanging like this. Now with the second color, you're going to combine it to the longer one. Okay, so this is my longer one. So I'm going to just make a simple knot like this. Okay, and then just push it all the way to the end. Okay, so now you'll have 2 long pieces of 2 different colors, and you're going to start twisting them. Okay, so the way you twist them is like this. For one piece, you're going to twist outwards, and one piece you're going to twist inwards. Okay, so they're opposite. And now you're going to put one over the other. Okay, so you twist it tight, and then you're going to just put one over the other. Okay, so one is out, one is in, and then you just put it over the other. Okay, so keep twisting each time before you put one over the other to make it secure. Okay, so you're just going to keep doing that until you reach the end. Okay. Okay. Alright, so you can leave a little bit hanging. So now with your twisted pieces, you can go around your base in like a curve pattern. Okay, so you can place it however you want, this way or this way, it's up to you. And then give it a nice twist at the end. And if you have an extra piece like me, you can bring that to the front, and then you can go under your pleated piece like this. Okay. And you can just keep going until you reach the end. Okay, So it'll look something like this. And if you have some tassels hanging, you can put it inside like this so it hangs nicely. Okay. And if you have an extra piece, you can fluff it out like this. Okay, so now with this piece, just gonna go ahead and twist it. Make sure it's nice and tight. And you can make a little fan at the end to pop out at the side. Okay, something like that. Okay, alright, and we have tassels hanging. It can just go like this. Alright, and there you go. A simple Gopa turban that you can try for Gopastami. We hope you like this tutorial, and please tag us in your stories. We would love to see you dressed up as little Gopas. Thank you, and hope you have a blissful Gopastami celebration. Hare Krishna.